Hello class, my name is David Odette and I'm going to give a demonstration on how to create a new query based on an info cube and use some of the advanced properties like exceptions, conditions, or variables. So let us begin. We're going to begin by creating a new query and we're going to use the reporting info cube that we were assigned, which is the first one. So we're going to start designing the new query. We'll click here on customer and drag country to the characteristics restrictions and double click on country. We're going to add United States to the chosen selections and press OK. We're going to close this drop down for the customer and drop down time, so we could add calendar year and drag it to the characteristic restrictions. Double click on calendar year and add 2011 to the chosen selections. So if we drop down calendar year and country, you see our chosen selections. Now we'll go to the rows and the columns. Here we're going to drop down the product, and drag material characteristics to the rows. And we'll also do that for the product category. Now we'll go to key figures and drag revenue to the column section. And we'll also do this for the sales quantity. Cost of goods sold. Cost of goods. And discount. So at this point I'm going to save what I have done this far. Okay, the next step is to go to execute. And I'll enter my username and my password. So here is the table that we have designed. It has the information on the products and also the revenue, sales quantity, cost of goods sold, and discounts on the columns, and the products are actually on the rows. So we are going to go back to our query design, and come to customer, and we'll drag the customer to the rows. So in the right hand side, I'm just going to see what's here. And click on rows and columns. We're going to select active here in the display as hierarchy. We're going to save those changes. We're going to click on material characteristics. And we're going to go to display on the right side of the screen. We're checking the information here. So basically we can actually edit the query here. That's if we wanted to, but we're not going to do that now. So we'll go back to rows and deactivate. And we're going to save that. And now we'll go to execute. I'll type in my username again. So now we can see the customers in our table. in addition to the products, the product category and material characteristics. So here are the columns. And this is another page. Here's another page as well. There are 31 of them, but I'm not going to go through all of them because it will take all day. So now we're going to go to filter and remove the calendar year. And we'll come here to rows and columns. And we'll drag out the revenue. Also the cost of goods. And discount. And we'll leave sales quantity there.